This is M. Sambaraj, Assistant Professor, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College. Today, we are going to discuss about allegations or mixtures, one of the most important topic in aptitude. What is allegation? Allegation is nothing but mixed. Example, if the cost price of type 1 variety is rupees 10 per kg and the cost price of 12 kg of type 2 is rupees 15 per kg, find the mixed variety per kg. Mixed type of questions or belongs to allegations or mixture topic. Next method. This entire topic depending only one concept. Your concept is type 1 variety A, type 2 variety B, type 1 plus type 2 is called mixed M. Next method, modulus of M minus B. Next modulus of M minus A. Then type 1 is to type 2 is equal to modulus of M minus B is to modulus of M minus A. This is about allegation rule. This entire topic, all the problems in allegation topic using only one principle, that is M minus B is to M minus A. First target of allegation, ratio of type 1 and type 2, modulus of M minus B is to modulus of M minus A, where M comma A comma B are called quantities or prices. Quantities or prices always positive are always positive. Negative operator does not exist, then apply modulus symbol. Next, using above ratio, calculate type 1 variety quantity A, type 2 variety quantity B, also calculate mixed quantity. This type of questions only important to allegation topic. In next notation, condition, mixed part is always between type 1 and type 2. That is not more than highest and not less than least. Next, sample examples in allegation topic. In what proportion must wheat at rupees 6 per kg be mixed with wheat at 10 per kg so that the mixture worth rupees 7 per kg? A 1:3, B 3:1, C 2:3, D 3:2. Method. Mixture means apply allegation principle. Allegation principle, type 1 is to type 2. Type 1 is to type 2 is equal to modulus of M minus B is to modulus of M minus A, where A indicate type 1 variety and B indicate type 2 variety, M indicate mixed variety. Mixed variety is always between type 1 and type 2, not more than highest, not less than least. Suppose example, type 1 cost price is rupees 10 per kg. Second, type 2 variety is rupees 15 per kg. Both type 1 and type 2 are mixed. The resulting price is rupees 20 per kg. A15, A10, B15 mixed 20. That cannot be possible because mixed part is always between 10 and 15 only. More than 15 that cannot be possible. Then answer is cannot be determined only correct. But this example, where type 1 is to type 2 is equal to M is equal to 7, B is equal to 10. Similarly, M7, A6 is equal to 3:1. Option B only correct. Next, second example, number 2. A shopkeeper sold 45 kg of goods. If he sells some quantity at a loss of 3% and rest at 17% profit, making 5% profit on the whole indicate mixed type of questions are given. First target, type 1 is to type 2 is equal to modulus of M minus B is to modulus of M minus A. Calculate only A comma B comma M. In next method, loss indicate negative operator. Loss means A is equal to minus 3. Next, profit indicate B is equal to plus 17. And next, mixed profit means plus 5. Operator important. Without operator, that is meaningless. But don't consider percentage. By using ratio, percentage term is cancelled. Consider only number but not percentage. Next, substitute the above formula. Here case 1 loss means loss is to profit. Loss is to profit is equal to modulus of M minus B, 5 minus 17. Modulus of M minus A, 5 minus 3 is equal to 12 is to 8. 3 is to 2 ratio. Total quantity 45 kg. Ratio 3 is to 2. Find quantity of profit. Profit quantity is equal to profit by total quantity into 45 is equal to 18. Option B only correct. Simple method. Just you apply only allegation method. Here allegation method, loss is to profit is equal to M minus B is to M minus A. A indicate loss means minus, B indicate profit means plus, and also check mixed part also, whether profit or loss. If it is profit plus operator, you substitute the above formula. By using ratio, total quantity is given. Find the profit quantity 18 kgs. Next, example number 3. The average students of a class is 11 years. If the average age of boys is 11.2 and that of girls is 10.9, find the total number of students. If there are 50 boys in the class, A 150, B 250, C 100, D 200. First allegation principle. Type 1 is to type 2. Type 1 is to type 2 is equal to modulus of M minus B is to modulus of M minus A, where A indicate number of boys. Boys average age 11.2 and girls average age 10.9. In a class is nothing but combined means boys and girls 11, that is M is equal to 11. Then ratio boys is to girls is equal to 11 minus 10.9 is to 11 minus 11.2. Ratio 0.1 is to 0.2 is equal to 1 is to 2. Therefore, boys is to girls is equal to 1 is to 2. Next statement. Total number of boys 50, but using ratio boys is equal to 1 part. 1 part is equal to 50. Find the total number of students. Boys and girls total parts 1 plus 2 3 parts. We know that 1 part is equal to 50. 3 parts is equal to 150. Option A only correct. This problem is belongs to average topic, average principle. Average is equal to sum of n observations divided by a number of observations. By using average concept, this problem solution is lengthy and complex method, but using allegation method very simple. Just you apply one condition. Modulus of m minus b is to modulus of m minus a. Using ratio, calculate total number of students. If boys and girls 1 plus 2 3 parts, we know that one part is equal to 50. 3 parts is equal to 150. This is about third example solution. Next, fourth example, important. A cow and a goat are bought for rupees 2 lakhs. The cow is sold at a profit of 20% and the goat is sold at a loss of 10%. The overall gain is rupees 4,000. Here overall indicate mixed. Mixed gain is rupees 4,000. The cost price of the cow is dash. A 13,000, B 80,000, C 70,000, D 1,20,000. Method: mixed. Type 1 is to type 2. Type 1 is to type 2 is equal to modulus of m minus b is to modulus of m minus a, where a indicate profit plus 20, b indicate loss minus 10. Mixed directly not given. Mixed, suppose x percentage of 2 lakhs. X percentage of 2 lakhs is equal to 4,000. Find out x. X is equal to 4,000 into 100 divisible by 2 lakhs is equal to 2%. X is equal to 2%. That is mixed is equal to 2%. Mixed gain is given. Gain is nothing but plus operator. Therefore, cow is to goat. Cow is to goat is equal to modulus of m minus b minus into minus plus modulus of m minus a. 2 minus 20 is equal to 12 is to 18. 12 is to 18. 2 is to 3 ratio. Cow is to goat is equal to 2 is to 3. Cost price of the cow. Here cow gets 2 parts. Denominator total parts 2 plus 3 5 into total cost price 2 lakhs is equal to 80,000. 80,000 means option B only correct. This is very important to placements. Here important overall indicate mixed. Apply allegation principle. But all A, B, M consider only in terms of percentage only. One is percentage, one is value. It is not a correct method. All the statements are converted into a percentage. All the statements are converted into a percentage. A total value 2 lakhs, but mixed again 2 lakhs. Suppose X percentage of 2 lakhs is equal to 4,000. Then X is equal to 2%. In next, profit indicate plus operator. Loss indicate minus operator. Then apply the allegation principle. Cow is to goat is equal to 2 is to 3. Find cost price of cow. Similarly, cost price of the goat. Here cost price of the goat is equal to 3 by 5 into 2 lakhs is equal to 1,20,000. 1,20,000 goat cost price. 80,000 only cow cost price. Here calculate only cow. That answer is option B only correct. Next example number 5. A mixture of a certain quantity of milk with 8 liters of water is worth rupees 4.50 per liter. Here milk with is called mixed price. Here quantity of water 8 liters. Find quantity of milk. but mixed price is equal to 4.50 per liter. Next, milk price is equal to 5.40. Find milk quantity. Notation. A mixture means type 1 is to type 2. A type 1 is to type 2 is equal to modulus of M minus B is to modulus of M minus A, where A indicate water, B indicate milk, but above information, quantity of water 8 liters, but price of water not given. In allegation topic, if cost price of water not given, assumption 0. Similarly, cost price of milk not given, assumption 1. This is applicable only allegation topic, not other topics in quant. And next, second point, here consider only cost prices but not quantities. ABM, A indicate cost price of water, B indicate cost price of milk, mixed cost price of mixture per liter, but not quantities. Next point, all the statements are converted into a 1 liter of cost price, and also all the statements are converted into a 1 liter of cost price but not the selling price. Suppose any of the statements selling price is given, selling price convert into a cost price when gain is given, when loss is given. A indicate cost price of water per liter only. B indicate cost price of milk 1 liter only. Mixed 1 liter only. First convert into a cost price of 1 liter. Next to apply the formula, that is your answer. Here A not given. We know that let cost price of 1 liter of water is always consider rupees 0. That is A is equal to 0. B is equal to 5.40. Mixed 4.50. Then water is to milk. Water is to milk is equal to here 4.50 minus 5.40 is to 4.50 minus 0 is equal to 0.90 is to 4.50. 9 into 1, 9 into 5. Therefore, water is to milk 1 is to 5. By using first statement, quantity of water 1 part. 1 part is equal to 8 liters. Find milk quantity. Milk quantity is equal to 5 parts. 1 part is equal to 8. 5 parts 40 liters. Option D only correct. This model again important to campus placements and also competitive exams. Water and milk combinations are very important to competitive exams. Next, sixth example. How much water must be added to 60 liters of milk at 1/2 liters for rupees 20 and mixture worth rupees 10 2/3 a liter, A 14, B 10, C 15, D 25. Here calculate quantity of water. Your first method, type 1 is to type 2. Type 1 is to type 2 is equal to modulus of M minus B is to modulus of M minus A, where A cost price of water not given, assumption 0, and B indicate milk price, but milk price 1/2 liters for rupees 20, 1/2 rupees 20, 1 liter is equal to 20/3/2 is equal to 40/3. Milk price convert into a 1 liter. Next, mixed price Mixed price 10 2 by 3. 10 2 by 3 is equal to 32 by 3. Next, substitute the above formula. Water is to milk is equal to 32 by 3 minus 40 by 3 is equal to 32 by 3 minus 0 is equal to 8 by 3 is to 32 by 3 ratio 1 is to 4. A total quantity of milk 60 liters. A quantity of milk is equal to 4 parts. 4 parts is equal to 60. 1 part is equal to 60 by 4, 15. Therefore, water quantity 1 part indicate 15 liters. Option C only correct. This problem method, water 1 liter cost price not given, 1 by 2 rupees 20, then convert into a 1 liter price. Next to apply the allegation principle. Option C only correct. Next, 7th example. In what proportion must water be mixed with milk to gain 20% by selling the mixture at the cost price? A 1 is to 5, B 5 is to 1, C 1 is to 3, D 3 is to 1. Important. Here cost price of water not given and cost price of milk also not given. Let cost price of 1 liter of water is rupees 0 and also cost price of milk is rupees 1 respectively, and find mixture price. Selling price is given. Selling price convert into a cost price. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus G by 100 when gain is given. Here calculate cost price of the mixture by selling the mixture at the cost price. Selling price of mixture is equal to cost price. We have two cost prices. One is water, one is milk. If selling price of mixture is equal to cost price of water 0, selling price is equal to 0, no profit and no loss. Here clearly given 20% gain. Then water price is not possible. Then possible only milk price. Selling price of mixture is equal to cost price of milk when gain is given. Here gain is given. Then selling price is equal to 1 rupee because cost price of milk 1 rupee. Your selling price is equal to 1. Find cost price of the milk where G20 120 by 100. Then cost price of the mixture is equal to 100 by 120, 100 by 120, 5 by 6. Your next method, first water, next milk, water 0, milk 1 rupee, milk mixed 5 by 6, modulus of m minus b, 5 by 6 minus 1, modulus of m minus a, 5 by 6 minus 0. Next ratio, water is to milk is equal to 1 by 6 is to 5 by 6 is equal to 1 is to 5. Option A only correct. Important example. Notation. Selling price convert into cost price when gain is given. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus G by 100. 100 plus G by 100. Selling price of mixture is equal to cost price of water when no profit and no loss is given. Selling price of mixture is equal to cost price of milk when gain is given. Next method, M minus B is to M minus A, 1 is to 5, Option B only correct. This is about general procedure. Next, shortcut method. Consider only percentage. 20 percentage. 20 percentage means 20 by 100. 20 by 100 is equal to 1 by 5. 1 by 5 indicate 1:5. Option A only correct. Shortcut method, consider only percentage by 100. That is your answer. Shortcut method and lengthy method. Both are correct. Next, 8th one. Important. Milk and water A and B in the ratio 4:3 and 2:3 respectively. Suppose A container or A vessel and B container. A container milk and water in the ratio 4:3 and 2:3. In what ratio the liquids mixed a new container containing of milk and of water. C container is called mixed pot. Of milk and of water. Of milk and of water, that is 1:1 ratio. Method easy. Here, let cost price of 1 liter of water is rupees 0 and cost price of 1 liter of milk is rupees 1. Next, calculate only milk quantity at first container. Milk quantity at first container 4 by 4 plus 3, 4 by 7 liters. Similarly, milk quantity at second container 2 by 3, 2 by 2 plus 3. Milk container at third container of milk and of water. Here consider only milk but not water. Water price is rupees 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. Then consider only milk. General procedure. A container, B container, C container. Cost price of A container. Cost price of B container. Cost price of C container. Cost price of A container. Cost price of milk A container 4 by 7 liters. 1 liter 1 rupee. 4 by 7 liters, 4 by 7 into 1, 4 by 7 rupees. Similarly, water quantity at A container 3 by 3 plus 4, 3 by 7 liters. 1 liter rupees 0. 3 by 7 liters, 3 by 7 into 0. Total cost price of container A, milk price plus water price. Milk price 4 by 7. Water price 0, 4 by 7 rupees. Similarly, B container and C container. Direct method. This type of questions are given just to consider only milk but not water. Because a water price is rupees 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. The next method. Here M1 indicate A. M2 indicate B, mixed indicate C container M3. A ratio modulus of M minus B. Next, modulus of M minus A is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5 is 1 by 2 minus 4 by 7 is equal to 1 by 10 is to 1 by 14 is equal to 14 is to 10 is equal to 7 is to 5. Option D only correct. Okay, right. Next, ninth example. If the cost price of 10 kg of type 1 variety is rupees 12 per kg and 5 kg of another variety is rupees 18 per kg. Find the mixed price per kg. Right, note mixed price is equal to MA plus NB and so on M plus N. MA plus NB plus OC and so on divisible by M plus N plus O and so on. Here consider only two varieties where M comma N indicate quantities, A comma B indicate cost prices, AB cost prices, M in quantities. A mixed price is equal to M 10 kg, price 12 per kg, N 5 kg, price 18 per kg, divisible by M plus 5, 10 plus 5, 120 plus 90, divisible by 15 is equal to 210 by 15, 14 per kg. Option C only correct. 14 per kg. Mixed price or mixture price method MA, NB, OC and so on. M plus N plus O and so on. Next, 10th example. A milkman mixed 10 liters of water to 50 liters of milk worth rupees 16 per liter. Find the cost price of the mixture per liter. A 12, B 12.25, C 13.33, D 14.5. You find the mixture per liter. A mixture price is equal to MA plus NB by M plus N, where M quantity of water is equal to 10. A cost price of water not given, assumption 0. N quantity of milk 50. B cost price of milk 16 per liter. This example assumption also important. A and B cost prices. A cost price of water, B cost price of milk, M quantity of water, N quantity of milk. All values are given except water. We know that if water price not given, assumption 0, then A is equal to 0. Therefore, mixed price is equal to MA 10 into 0 plus 50 into 16 divisible by 10 plus 50 is equal to 0 plus 800 by 60 is equal to 800 by 60 is equal to 40 by 3. 40 by 3 is equal to 13 by 3. Means 13.33 per liter. Option C only correct. This is about allegation concept. Important. A problems in allegation concept. A profit and loss. The type of questions are given. Apply the operator. Profit indicate plus operator. Loss indicate minus operator. Second note. Water and milk concept. First notation. All the statements are converted into a 1 liter of cost price. Quantities always you need to convert into a 1 liter. And also price is also convert into a cost price but not selling price. Selling price convert into a cost price when profit is given, when loss is given. Suppose selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus G by 100 when gain is given. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus L by 100 where L loss percentage. Next to assumptions. Cost price of water rupees 0 and cost price of milk rupees 1. Finally, mixed price or mixture price mixed price is equal to MA plus NB by M plus N, where MN quantities, AB cost prices. This formula also water not given, milk not given, 0 and 1 respectively. But MN indicate only quantities, AB indicate only cost prices but not selling price. AB indicate cost prices, MN indicate quantities. This is about allegation concept. Covered all the models in allegations or mixtures. This is one of the subtopic in ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion subtopics. First one, ages. Second, allegations or mixtures. Third, average. Fourth, partnership. These all are very, very important to ratio and proportion chapter. Okay, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.